Diba, sabi niya yung goal niya is to delete all of his social media accounts. So as much as possible, wala siyang social media accounts. But right now, I'm proud of him dahil may TikTok na po siya.
Pero hindi po ako nag-handle.
Huwag mo sabihin yun, ikakat nila yun. Dapat parang ikaw yun.
Anyway.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
Para sa akin, masaya po. Kasi kasama po namin yung parents ni Kai. So it gives me a chance to bond with them and to get, you know, each other better. Even you guys, para makilala po kayo. So, masaya po.
Yes, Kai.
Tsaka kami kasi ni Kobe, we really love nature. We love exploring also. So it's a good thing din naman po na nandito. Tsaka yun nga, bonding with my family and with my beautiful lolas. And tita. Tita Bel kasi ito eh.
The team para.
The team
Of
para.
course, you had yung...
On the way po dun sa tinanong ko siya, gutom ka ba? Sabi niya, hindi. Pero pagdating ko, inubos niya po yung nag-aagawan sila nila mama. Tsaka ni Tita Bel ng crabs. Inaagawan po si mama ng crabs.
Nagutom mo.
So Kobe, saan mo nakuha yung ang galing mo pala maghimay ng crabs?
Sa ko po, sa lola ko po, tsaka sa papa ko. Kasi mahilig po kami kumain. Even my mom, mahilig din siya kumain. So, just growing up po, nakikita ko lang po sa kanila kung paano talaga kumain ng seafood. Sa hilig.
Enjoy the Quezon province, Infanta, to be specific. Beach. Pero bago po yan, syempre, celebrate muna natin ang birthday ni guys.
Tama.
And then, tomorrow, magbe-beach kami dahil isa po itong island boy.
Mas special ba itong vacation na to because Kylene is with you?
Yeah, I can say that.
Why daw?
Why? It's gonna be basically our first time or second time by the beach. So it's gonna be interesting to do activities this time. Kasi yung first time po namin sa China when we shot for Mobile Legends. Pero umuulan po eh, so we didn't get a chance to really swim. So
Ano bang what's the real score?
Score 3 points. Let's go! Aray.
Yes.
Ako naman po, lagi po ang sagot ko dyan is what you see is what you get. Yun lang naman po yung sinasagot ko lagi. And I think it's, since again, sinabi ko na po before, it's not my responsibility to explain or confirm nor deny anything to the public. I mean, I get it that even our private lives are their entertainment now. Because it's, part of our job, but we're not public properties, we're public figures. So, may right po kami na mag-deny or mag-confirm ng anything.
pero ako po, sasagot po
Yeah,
ako.
privacy.
Sasagot ako. Go! Meron akong famous quote online na yun eh. So we're just friends. We're just friends.
But you're very comfortable with
Feeling ko nga mas sumisikat ako na yun eh, dahil kay Kylene eh.
Do you feel that?
Hindi, joke lang. It makes me happy and makes me very proud na ganun po siya na tao.
And when it comes to her ugali?
Masama po.
Ano masama po to? Sa camera lang talaga mabait. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Aray.
Hindi kasi diba sa work mo, ganyan ka talaga. Kontrabida.
So,
Wala lang, yun lang. Ganun ka.
Okay.
Di ba,
Joke lang.
di ba pag mga kaibigan, meron din terms of endearment? Kayo, kaibigan.
Good friends, actually.
friends.
Friends.
Frenny.
That you're happier now.
Yes, I am. Kulang na lang talaga ma-meet ng mom ko si Kai. And my mom's in Europe right now, so hopefully when that day comes, I'll be happier.
But you have told
Kapag di ako nagsashare ng pagkain. Sa akin yan eh, ba't mo ko ng pagkain?